Help them to act swiftly and effectively in times of need, responding compassionately to the cries of those in distress. As they engage in organizational reform, may your wisdom lead them to innovate and improve fostering an environment where all resources are used to their fullest potential for the benefits of our community. Heavenly Father, we also ask your blessing on the collaboration between our barangay captain, Rodrigo Carrera, and the barangay councils, and the chief of police, and all the assigned officer here. May the unified efforts cultivate of spirit, teamwork, and nurtures trust and partnership. Let the support from our municipal mayor, Pedro Merera, and the admin and the local government units be the source of strength as they work to uphold the law with integrity and fairness. Grant them the wisdom to govern justly and to collaborate with the PNP in fostering a safe and peaceful community for all. In this sacred space, may your love and guidance envelope every officers, councils and members and leaders. May they always remember the commitment to serve our communities with dedication and